If you want to bulk import students and assign them in courses run on Tutor LMS powered website, then there is an easy solution. Install our premium plugin called Tutor LMS Custom User Importer and import students directly to a course. Here is the demo of the bulk import of students. First, install and activate Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin. After that installation, you will see a sub-menu under the Tutor LMS, just click it. You will find a link to download CSV template in the right-hand corner of the page. Next, you need to fill data in the downloaded CSV template. Write a unique name in the username column, which is a required field. Next, paste the email IDs on the email column. This is also a required field. You cannot import without providing an email ID. Now, write the first name and last name of the student in these two columns. If you want to import students with contact numbers, just fill the phone number column. Next, set the default password for your students. This password and email will go to the student's email automatically. You can write a small bio for each student by filling this bio column. The most important and required field is the role column. Here you have to write subscriber for importing students. Note that you must write subscriber in the English language only. Other languages are not allowed. Now fill enrolled course ID column with your actual course ID or IDs. If you want to enroll student to more than one course, then you have to write comma-separated course IDs like this one. Now, you have to put a date when you want to enroll students in your courses. You can also fill the optional fields: completed the course, date of course completion, organization name, ordered by and purchase order number. We will create a separate video on this column. Now, it's time to save your template in CSV format. Go to your site and upload the saved template. Your users will be imported within a second and emails will also be sent. Let's check if the students are imported successfully. That's it for now. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Tutor LMS problem-solving tutorials. Take care.